Hello everyone, this is Nancy from the Kentucky Garden Gal, and I want to let everyone know that we are safe. My family is safe, and I greatly appreciate all the people that have called and texted and contacted me today to see how we were. Unfortunately, about 20 miles away from us in Warren County, which is the town of Bowling Green, they were not so lucky. As many of you probably have today, I've sat in front of the TV and watched the news in just disbelief. This was an absolutely destructive event. And I'm not going to give out any numbers because it's still within the first 24 hours. I'm not sure that they know how strong of a tornado it was. They're not sure of the death toll, the property damage, the injuries. There's just so much that we don't know. One of the things that I have been asked over and over and over is how can we help? So I wanted to let you know that I have a friend who is the minister of the State Street United Methodist Church in Bowling Green. He actually has visited with his congregational members today. There's needs there, but the needs in Bowling Green are so many that they just need help. So for those of you who have been asking, what can I donate and where can I donate it to when you're wanting to donate items? The items that they are currently asking for are large trash bags, Ziploc bags of any sizes, batteries and phone chargers, towels, washcloths, underwear and socks, new of course, all sizes, toothbrush, toothpaste, flashlights, and baby formula and diapers. In Simpson County, you can drop this off at the Methodist Church and they can get it to Bowling Green. If you are in the Bowling Green area, they are set up at South Warren to collect these items. They are also collecting laundry baskets at Jenny Craig Elementary there in Bowling Green. And the reason they're collecting the laundry baskets, there's been so many homes that have just the tornadoes ripped through that people are just going through trying to find what they can in their homes, and they need something to place those items in. The United Methodist Disaster Relief Program has been around for a long time. They are very knowledgeable in how to get into disaster areas and get assistance right to the folks. So I'm going to put all this information in the description of this video, and if you would like to make a financial contribution, of course the Red Cross is always great to give to, but this link that I'm providing will go directly to the folks in Bowling Green, which is the closest town to us. We all have heard of the devastation in Mayfield, and we ask that you just continue to pray for everyone. It's my understanding that their police department, their fire station was completely destroyed. It's just blocks and blocks and blocks of devastation in Mayfield. Our Governor Bashir has declared us a state of emergency. We do have the National Guard here. I think there's about 180 members in Mayfield, but our governor has been out all day surveying the damage and is in touch with the White House. But more than anything else, we need prayers, and we appreciate your support and your care in times like this. And as Mr. Rogers always reminded us, in a bad situation, look for the helpers. And we want to be the helpers for this community. Thank you and God bless.